Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can install EXE apps and games on Android devices in 2025. Even though EXE files are meant for Windows, let's dive in. So first, let's quickly understand what an EXE file is. These are executable files that run programs or games or on Windows, and Android doesn't natively support EXE files, but there are ways around it. So to run EXE files on Android, you'll need an emulator like Wine or EXE, and these tools mimic the Windows environment on your Android device. Let's start with Wine. So you can just open the Google Play Store and search for Wine. And here you can just tap on install. If you cannot find it in here, you can download it on the official website, this one, winehq.org. So you can just install the APK, and once it's installed, you can just open it and you'll see a Windows like interface. And now you can just transfer your EXE file to Android. So transfer your EXE file from your PC to your Android device, and you can use USB transfer, Google Drive, or Dropbox, whichever is easiest for you. And next, once your EXE file is on your device, you can just open Wine applications and navigate to the folder where you saved the EXE files, and you can just tap it to run. You should now be able to launch and use the app or game on your Android device. And alternatively, you can also use EXE. This app works similarly to Wine but is known for running games better on Android. You can again download and install the applications from the Google Play Store. Again, if you cannot find it in here, you can just find it on your browser and download it from a trusted source. And you can just follow the same process to run your EXE file. And to improve performance, both Wine and EXE allow you to tweak settings, so you can adjust the graphics and CPU settings for smoother performance, especially for resource-heavy games. And if you're installing a game, you might need to adjust specific game settings within the emulator. Some games require additional tweaks to work properly, but don't worry, it's usually just a matter of experimenting with the settings. That's how you install and run EXE files on your Android device. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and click on the thanks so you don't miss any future tech guides. Drop your questions in the comments. I'll see you all on the next tutorials. Bye!